Hi, I'm Becca with Zilla Corporation, and I'm here to tell you a little bit more about our Zilla double stud flashing. Here we have our Zilla double stud flashing. To begin, you will want to take 2 lag bolts and drive those into our base plate directly into a rafter. Next, you will take our flashing. You will install that up underneath the shingles. To finish this install, you will use our Zilla double stud. This is made with a recessed washer, giving you a metal-to-metal compression, never exposing that washer to the elements. You'll just want to tighten that down directly into the base plate. To learn more about this flashing, please visit our website where we have technical information as well as installation documents at zillarack.com.